Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. 16 ways to overcome stage fright when we speak in public. Stage fear. Stage fear is an anxiety, fear, or precedent phobia may be aroused in individual by the requirement to perform in front of an audience, whether actually or potentially. For example, when performing before a camera, performing in front of unknown audience can cause significantly more anxiety than performing in front of familiar faces. In some cases, the person will suffer no such fright from this, while they might suffer from not knowing who they are performing to. In the context of public speaking, this may proceed or accompany participants in any activity involving public self presentation. In some cases, fright may be a part of longer pattern of social phobia. But many people experience stage fright without any wider problem. Quite often, it has numerous manifestations: stuttering, tremor in hands and legs, sweaty hand, facial nerve tricks, dry mouth, and dizziness. There are two types of people in the world: those who love speaking in public and those who are scared to speak in public. Performance anxiety and stage fright are perfectly normal phenomena that occurs to many people. It is important for you to understand what is stage fright is so that you can fully overcome it. So, how do you overcome stage fright when speaking in public? There are 16 steps to overcome stage fright. Know your stuff, practice, practice, practice. Talk yourself down, wallow in the worst, visualize the outcome. It is not all about you. When things go wrong, keep calm, don't rush it. Force on getting through the first 5 minutes. Never apologize for being nervous. Don't share your mistake. Arrive early. Stretch. Breathe. Double check everything. Don't fight your stage fright. Work with it. These are the key steps to overcome the stage fright. Let's go detailing about everything. Know your stuff. Nothing will stop stage fright. It is an gripping task like being prepared. Know your content, your speech, and more importantly, your audience. If you know what you are talking about, then you will have no reason to be nervous. Understand your topic will enable you to speak more naturally and hence more confidently. Practice, practice, practice. Knowing your stuff helps, but it doesn't necessarily eradicate the problem. You need to practice as much you can before the performance or public speaking day. Really know your content inside out and practice as much as possible to build your confidence. Talk yourself down. You need to realize that even though stage fright is all in the mind, the fear manifests itself in physical ways. The best offense is to change your negative talk. Stop worrying about what if I forget the content. Change that into positive talk like, what if I am great at that? It may sound simplistic or too easy, but positive affirmation will go a long way in reducing stage fear when speaking in public. Wallow in the waste. If you can't calm yourself down with positive talk, then maybe it is a time you thought about the worst case scenario. Once you do this, You will realize that the worst case scenario isn't really that bad. This might help calm your nerves. Visualize the outcome. Call it what you will. Reflection, visualization, meditation, whatever you call it, just do it. Spend time visualizing yourself giving a perfect presentation and speaking in public, filled with humor, warmth, confident, and intelligent. It is not all about you. Thought you might feel like everyone is out to laugh, criticize, or judge you. That is not the case. Get over the feeling that the world is going to hang on your every mistake. Focus on your speech, audience, and what they deserve from you. This will erase the pressure that is already accumulating. When things goes wrong, sooner or later, something will go wrong. Your projector or microphone might stop working. If you already know your content, then chances are that this won't phase you as much. If for instance your microphone stop working, don't stress over it. Carry on with a louder voice. Chance are the technique people are already stressing and working to sort the problem out. So you get worried over the same issue won't help. Keep calm, don't rush it. Don't rush your presentation. Start slow and allow yourself time to get into comfortable place. You need time to get used to the audience and the audience also need time to get used to you. Focus on getting through the first 5 minutes. Imagine your entire presentation is only 5 minutes long. This will make it less stressful. Focus on just getting through the first 5 minutes, and by this time you will have already calmed down and the rest is downhill. Never apologize for being nervous. Three quarters of the time, no one will notice you're nervous. Why? Tell them. You may feel yourself shaking and shivering, but your audience might not be aware of it. Don't mention it. It will make your audience nervous too, and they will be too worried about your performance to get much out of your presentation. Don't share your mistakes. You have prepared, practiced, and feel good about your speech or presentation. Suddenly, on stage, you realize you mixed the order of the topics or you forgot an important point. But remember, you are the only one who knows about it. Your audience doesn't. Don't make them aware of a mistake that they didn't even know excited. If you bring it up, some people might start looking for more holes, which unlimitedly distract from the whole purpose of your presentation in the first place. Arrive earlier. Obviously, if you are late, this will not heighten your anxiety. Arrive earlier and acclimate your surroundings. You can even check out the stage and the auditorium as get yourself used to the environment. Stretch. If you are nervous, odds are your body will be stiff and your muscle tight. 15 minutes before speaking in the public and going on stage, do a few stretches. This will loosen the tense muscle and relax your body. Breathe. Nervousness is always accompanied by fast, short breaths, and if this is not addressed, it will throw you off balance. Minute before you go on stage, take some slow deep breath so that by the time you get to the stage, your breathing is relaxed. Double check everything. Do you have a laptop or notes? Check that everything works. When you walk on stage and suddenly realize that you forgot your notes, it's too late. Of course, your nervous will take over. Know your speech or presentation so well that should this happen, you can continue without a hitch. Don't fight your stage fright. Work with it. You have to expect and accept the fact that you will feel anxiety, especially the first few minutes of your presentation. The more you risk your anxiety, the more it will work against you. Again, focus on the presentation when speaking in public, and the anxiety will slowly erase off. And this is Aster SB signing off. If you like my video, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video.